Remove the glass retainer bar by undoing the screws on the right and the left. Using the sucker pad provided, remove the front glass.
Remove the logs from the fuel bed.
To remove the fuel bed, undo the screws on the left and the right, which keep it in place. Lift up the fuel bed and disconnect the flicker unit. Please make sure when you come to replacing the fuel bed to reconnect the positive and negative wires to the correct point. Before you attempt to replace the faulty LED strip, it is worth checking the connector hasn't come loose. Try pushing the connector in on the left-hand side of the faulty strip to see if that fixes the problem. If the problem persists, simply take your new LED strip and plug in the connectors on the left and right. When reconnecting the strip, please remember to check the positive and negative polarities are in the right order like the diagram shown. You will then be able to reconnect your flicker unit and replace the fuel bed. Replace the log set. Replace the front glass. And screw the glass retainer bar back into place.